As most of you guys know, we've recently been focused on helping agencies and growth consultants switch to selling infrastructures. Instead of just selling one-off services, they're coming into companies and building and releasing the infrastructure that creates the outcome. No, not the outcome, but most importantly, the inputs that create the outcome for the business. Now, why did we make that shift? We made that shift because we're in an interesting market today. So many people are being sold this one skill, this one service, and sold the expectation that if they master that one thing, they're going to be able to build a multiple six figures, a multiple seven-figure business. But that is not the case, because the more of you that are out there selling the same skill, the same service, will inevitably lead to you guys having a hard time commanding and asking for a high price, because now you're qualified as a commodity. There's just too many of you guys out there, so it's not hard to find. There's an infinite supplies of setters, of closers, of Facebook ad agencies, of short form content agencies, but the demand is not growing as fast as the supply. And that is a big problem if you want to be highly profitable. Over the last 90 days, we've onboarded over 100 growth creators who are partners in our main program. They joined the program because they were interested in starting to sell infrastructures instead of selling commoditized services. We have content agencies who are not wanting to sell content infrastructures. We have coaches and consultants who are wanting to pivot from selling advice or coaching to selling something that is tangible. We have Facebook ad agencies, lead gen agencies who are tired of hearing that, hey, I can only pay you on performance basis, joining our main program for us to help them sell lead gen infrastructures, appointment setting infrastructures, even sales infrastructures. Cold email agencies, you name it. We have partners in every single niche, in every single vertical, in every single service out there. Most of these businesses are coming to us because they're tired of charging small retainers, having a high churn, or if they're in a really heavy commodity, super competitive niche, they're tired of hearing that the only way to acquire clients is to only work on performance basis. And we're helping them build a more thorough offer so that they can stop being a commodity and they can start being perceived as completely different from the market, from what is in the marketplace, and allowing them to charge 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand, 50 grand up front, and then retaining the client after they've built the infrastructure. I'll try to throw in some wins from our client pool just so you guys see what's been killing it for some of our clients. Now, the main reason why I'm making this video is because we have a big problem. 65% of everyone who wants to work with us, everyone who books a call with us, everyone who applies in order to join our main program is disqualified, mainly because of two things. They lack a specific set of skills, and they lack the track record qualifying them to be able to join a GCP and to be able to start selling infrastructures, build and release offers. I've decided that for 2024, I want to change this. And I've decided to relaunch growthspecialist.io. For anyone who's been following me for a while now, you guys know that earlier this year, I decided to launch a program called growthspecialist.io. After its launch, we decided that we wanted to stop selling it because we wanted to focus on one thing. But I've decided that December 21st will be the relaunch of Growth Specialist, and it will be amazing. Mainly because I've just realized that the biggest problem that most of you guys have is not necessarily that you guys don't have the answers to be able to scale your business, but it's just that you guys lack the foundational skills to be able to execute properly on the plan that is given to you guys. So my goal with growthspecialist.io is to treat it like a dump of all the insights that we've acquired from working with over 4,300 businesses and helping them scale over the last 2.5 years. And the purpose of dumping all these insights is to help you acquire the following foundational skills. First skill is being able to research and analyze trends. I've personally leveraged this skill to build 7-figure businesses in 7 weeks. Not for myself, but for my clients. One of the businesses that I applied this skill with was Amar in 2022 that I helped go from 0 to 60K a month in just 7 weeks. Leveraging trends allows you to figure out markets where there is more demand than there is supply. If you go in a market where there's more demand than there is supply, you're going to make money inevitably. Skill number 2 is being able to generate attention at will. Primarily leveraging outbound prospecting or inbound marketing, where you use content or paid ads to drive as much traffic to the offer that you're working on. Skill number 3 is owning attention. This is one of the most important skills that I've acquired over the last 3 years because I ended up realizing that this is the thing that creates trillion-dollar companies. Most of the trillion-dollar companies that are out there are worth that much. That's their valuation because they own one thing. They own data. Over the last 2 years, one of the things that I've been primarily focusing on with all the businesses that we work with is a way to help them collect the data and own attention. We do it through building systems or building communities. In growthspecialist.io, that's the third skill that we'll be focusing on mastering. Skill number 4 is educating and creating intent at scale, leveraging sales assets. If you don't know how to create content that changes beliefs, your ability to turn cold prospects into warm prospects who have the intent to buy, which technically turns them into qualified leads, I guess optimize your funnel is, but most importantly, it will dictate how cheap your cost per acquisition will be. That will be skill number 4, being able to turn cold prospects into qualified prospects who want to buy our services or products. Maybe if you're working with other businesses or maybe for your own business, that is another skill that is crucial if you want to be someone who's a growth specialist. This last skill will be primarily focused on designing sales process for businesses. This is where you look at how their lead flow comes in, their nurturing process, their CRMs, as well as the sales scripts that they're leveraging in order to convert prospects into people who have paid them money. So how do you collect money over the phone? Or if you're selling products, then you can do it through funnels and not necessarily need a phone call to sell services or products. Anyone who masters these 5 skills will have mastered the same skills that took me from someone who's making $2,000 a month at a 9 to 5 to 6 months later making my first $100,000 a month, and a year later making over 600 grand in a single month and taking home over $250,000 in profit in a single month. You will have the ability to leverage these skills to either scale your own business or jump into any business and start working for them as a growth specialist, where you get a base pay as well as a profit share. You can easily start earning $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month working with one single business. We're doing the official launch of Growth Specialist on December 21st. This will be my gift for you guys, my Christmas gift for the year, and allowing you to start 2024 with the skills that you need to be able to scale your business or anybody else's business. Now, to make this launch even more exciting, I've decided to do a giveaway. I want to give away $10,000 over the next 4 weeks. And here is how you can participate in the giveaway. For the next 4 weeks, starting December 10th, I'll be giving away $500 every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. And on the last day of the giveaway, which will be December 31st, I'll be giving away a $7,000 bonus. To participate, I want you to follow the following steps. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, take a screenshot of you subscribing, leaving a comment, and I want you to tag me on your story on Instagram. My handles on both platforms are here. Once you've tagged me on Instagram, I want you to go and comment on this post that I will be making on Instagram, as that's where I will be picking winners from every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. In order to properly launch Growth Specialist, I've decided to do a Webby, which will be the last Webby of this year of 2023. During the Webby, I'll be walking you guys through every single skill as well as its application and a case study associated with every single skill. I'll be walking you guys through how I've built multiple 6 figures, multiple 7 figures, short form content agencies, TikTok agencies, how I've built outbound prospecting agencies on top of the skill set of, generating attention through outbound. I'll be also walking you guys through case studies of building paid ads mechanism, all right? And I'll be going through every single skill and showing you guys every single application. I promise you that joining this Webby alone will put you ahead of most people in your industry. During the Webby, I've decided that I will actually be giving away one free entry into the program for one of the attendees in the webinar, and that will also be part of the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I actually want to give someone access to the program for free because I believe that it has the potential to change someone's life. So when you do join the Webby, you have the chance to win access to the program for free without having to pay anything. So register below for the Webby. I'm really excited for you guys to experience the Growth Specialist, and I can't wait to meet you guys on December 21st at 12 p.m. Eastern. And again, thank you for watching this video. Please participate in the giveaway. Yeah, see you on the other side. Bye-bye.